So today we are going to be changing Land Rover swivel hub seals the easy and quick way. So how do you change the swivel hub seals the easy way? Well, all you have to do is remove the caliper, remove the rear steering bar, the front steering bar, which is this one right here, and then once those are removed, you move over to the rear and undo these bolts, these right here. And once you do so, the whole axle with the disc brake and everything, the whole assembly should pull off. I am not going to remove the brake fluid. I am just going to unbolt the caliper and zip tie it to the coil. This will avoid the need to bleed the brakes once I'm done. Many people will tell you to do the swivel hubs through the hub, so you will have to take everything apart right here. This is not necessary, as you will see right now. So let's get started. On newer Land Rovers, I think you can remove the brake line from the top here, but on this one it turns out you can't. So to avoid having to bleed the brakes again, I am going to remove the two bolts right here, so I can take the whole bracket out and remove it with the caliper. So all the bolts are out, the whole thing is now ready to pull off. Now be a bit careful here because this is really heavy, so be aware of that. But with a bit of attention you should be able to get this thing off. Once you do get it off, it is best to put this inside the wheel. I will show you how now. So you can try to put the studs into the wheel so this can stand on its own. It's a bit heavy, I couldn't do that, but it is stable here. So I am now going to remove these bolts right here, which will remove the ring that holds the seal in place. and replace it with a new one. So now all that is left to do, I gave this a quick clean. There is a bit of surface rust in there, which suggests that water did manage to get in here, which makes sense because grease could come out. Water is thinner than grease, so water could also go in here. This is the main reason why I am changing this. So I've cleaned the surface and I'm going to install the new seal, which is a straightforward process. That's about it basically. And then you just bolt the ring back on and you're good to go. All that is left to do now is to put the bolts back on and do the reverse process of what I did to take everything off. I am going to end the video here because I'm full of grease and using the camera is a bit difficult. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and thank you for watching this quick video.